Hello and welcome to Gifted and Exceptional Mind Scholars. Today we will be looking at the vowels of the alphabet. There are 5 vowels in the alphabet. Let's get ready to begin. Say it along with me. A, E, I, O, and U. These are the 5 vowels of the alphabet. Again, let's say it. 3, 4. A, E, I, O, and U. These are the 5 vowels of the alphabet. We are now going to sing a small song that would remind us of the 5 vowels of the alphabet. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of the alphabet. Are you ready? Come on, let's sing along. A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of the alphabet. Alright, so now you have the opportunity to sing it by yourself. Ready? Let's go. 3, 4. Very good. Now give yourself a finger clap. You did awesome today. Remember, parents, to like and subscribe. See you again. Bye.